This is a quick interactive game using bit paper, and in here we're going to be putting these unit fractions which are on the pink tiles in order from smallest to largest. So what are unit fractions? As you can see, these pink tiles are fractions wherein all the numerators are equal to 1, hence the word unit. Now, but how are we going to decide which one is the smallest unit fraction and which is the largest? So I've drawn two shapes here to help you guide you in deciding. Now, your first shape has been divided into two equal parts, and I shaded one, so that's 1/2. The second shape, which is exactly the same shape as the first one, I divided into 8 equal portions and shaded one, it being a unit. So as you can see, the bigger the denominator, the smaller your portion is. I hope that will help you in deciding which one is the smallest unit fraction. So all the numerators are the same, they're all equal to 1, so that's no problem. So we're going to be looking at the denominators. As we have learned earlier, the bigger the denominator, the smaller your unit fraction. So in here, 20 is the largest denominator, so we're going to put that on your first yellow tile. The next one is followed by 15, so that's 1/15, followed by 1/13, then 1/9, and followed by 1/8. Then you have 1/5, followed by 1/4 or 1/4, and the largest unit fraction is 1/3. So looking at these denominators, providing your numerators are all equal to 1, are all the same, so the smallest fraction is the one with the highest denominator, which is 20, and the largest unit fraction is the one with the smallest denominator, 1/3. So I hope you enjoyed that little game, and thanks for watching.